Welcome to DTA Systems' quick demonstration of the multi-channel radar signal emulator. You're looking at model MRSE 5000. 19-inch rack mounting, 2 independent channels, frequency range 0.5 to 18 GHz, and 500 MHz of instantaneous bandwidth available on each channel for playback. The Freneau website has a user manual for the very popular fisherman's radar used in the Grand Banks of Newfoundland, the Freneau 1720. Page 8 has the radar specifications for the scanner unit and the transceiver module, and now I have everything I need to begin creating a scenario. There's 2 modes for this radar, short range and long range, both rotating at 24 RPM. Entering radar data can be done in numerous ways. Single values, series values, incremental values. The data can be input through CSV files for complex or large number of parameters and emitters, and we can input data from the database interchange file format, the diff file. For testing purposes on our 2 spectrum analyzers, we have changed the radar's 9.4 GHz center frequency to 900 MHz on channel 1 short range and 1 GHz on channel 2 for long range to see them both at the same time. With the data entered, the scenario saved for quick recall and reference, we then press record from the scenario to generate the session file. The session file is IQ data for the scenario as an aggregate pulse-by-pulse recording on solid-state drives. Playback by selecting the session file. Let's have a look at the output. The MRSE 5000 output is 0 dBm. And we're using a splitter on channel 1 to show the 150 nanosecond pulse on the top spectrum analyzer, and we're using a combiner for channel 1 and 2 on the bottom spectrum analyzer to show their frequency over time. A simple navigation radar, quickly set up in MRSE and played back in a loop for testing by direct injection.